Okay, moving on to section 5.8. This is page 2, unit 8 review for Algebra 2, 4th period. We want to solve each open sentence. This is section 8. Remember, this is all about GCFs. Again, our GCF is 6. So I get 12x over 3 minus 6x over 6 equals negative 6. Distributed everywhere. Simplify, you get 4x minus x equals negative 6. 4x minus x is 3x equals negative 6. Divide by the 3, and you get x is equal to negative 2. Alright, so that's 7. 8, we do have an inequality, so pay attention to that. Again, multiply by the GCF. The GCF of 6, 3, and 4 is 12. So I'll get 12d over 6 minus 2 times 12 is 24 over 3 is greater than or equal to 12d over 4. Simplify each of those expressions. 2d minus 8 is greater than or equal to 3d. Okay, so I'm going to take the 2d, move it over here, and so I end up with negative 8 is greater than or equal to d, and there's your answer. 14, 21, and 7. 14 does not go into 21. However, 14 does go into 42. 21 goes into it twice, 7 into it 6 times. So the idea here is I'm just going to save myself a little bit of trouble. 14 goes into 42 3 times, so I'll get 3 times 3u. Alright, 21 goes into 42 2 times, so I'll get 2 times 5 minus u. And then 7 goes into 42 6 times, and so I get 6 times 2. Alright, so I do each of those, and then I can sort of work it out from there. I get 9u minus 10 plus 2u is equal to 12. Add the 2 over, add the 10 over, excuse me, combine like terms. And so I get 11u is equal to 22. Divide by 11. So I get a nice answer of u is equal to 2. Okay, 12, 15, and 20. Looking for multiples of 20 that add to, that 15 and 12 both go into. So 20, 40, 60. There's our answer, 60. So let's multiply everything by 60. And remember, we're going to look. 12 and 60 gives us 5 times c plus 8 minus 15 and 60 gives us 4 times 3c minus 5 is less than 20 and 60 is 3 times c. So let's take it from there. I get 5c plus 40 minus 12c plus 20 is less than 3c. Combine like terms on the left side. Okay, so like terms 40 and 20 is 60. And then negative 12 and positive 5 is negative 7c. Alright, and then we are plus 60 and a 3c. Move that 7c over. It cancels, and so I get 60 is less than 10c, and then divide by the 10, and we'll get our final answer. We'll get 6 is less than c. There's our answer. There's the whole problem. Alright, moving on to section 5.9. We solve and check. If the equation has no solution, then say so. Okay, GCF is 6z. 3 and 6, the GCF is 6. Z goes into z. Okay, so I get 4 times 6z. Actually, I'll go ahead and do that out. I get 24z over 3z plus 12z over z equals 30z over 6. simplify where I can simplify. I get 3 goes into 24 8 times. Z's cancel. 6 goes into 30 5 times 5z. So I get 20 is equal to 5z, or divide by 5, 4 is equal to z. And if 4 is equal to z, and that's okay because if we look at it, 4 over 12 plus 2 over 4 equals 5 over 6. And that works out. That is 2/6, and then that's 3. Whoa, where'd I go? That was weird. 3/6. That works out. Okay. Solve a check, taken care of. We got the next one. Okay, so when it's this case, I can just cross multiply. So I get 12 times a minus 4 is equal to 4 times a. We take this, we get 12a minus 48 is equal to 4a. And then I'm going to subtract the 12a over, and I get negative 48 is equal to negative 8a, and then I do my last step of dividing by negative 8. That cancels, and so I get negative 48 divided by negative 8 is positive 6 is equal to a, and I have to check. So I gotta decide, is 12 divided by 6 equal to 4 over 6 minus 4, and it is indeed true. Yeah, that's it for page 2 of the Unit 8 review. Page 3 is coming up next.